What are you doing today?
I'm putting on a carburetor.
On what? On the lawnmower?
Yes.
Why? It needs one?
Yes.
It was sick?
Yeah.
Yeah. That one right there was no good? Okay.
No.
Show me how we do it.
Okay. I'll show you. It's that easy. Wait.
What's that?
Oh.
Grab it. It's okay. You see it? There you go. What is that?
5/16 wrench.
Oh, okay. All right, so show us how you do it.
Oh.
Hey, twist it in a little bit more with your fingers. Twist it in a little bit more with your fingers. There you go. You want to get it started good. The other way. There you go. All right. There you go. Good job. Keep twisting. Alright, that's good. And I get you. What is that again?
5/16 wrench.
Alright.
We're putting on a carburetor today.
Alright, that should be about right. Now tell us how you did it. Just that easy?
That was that easy.
You like helping Daddy work on things?
Yes, sir, I do. I would do anything for you.
Oh, love you.
Love you.